This is INFINIX Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to begin with, connect your device to Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store app, sign in if necessary. Then at the search bar type in the Opera query. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera browser to get downloaded and installed respectively, which, as you will see right now, does not take a lot of time. Now we can go ahead and launch the app. In here, while opening Opera for the first time, it is required that we undergo a very simple setup procedure. So tap on a blue continue button first. Then right off the bat, if you would like to, you can set Opera as your default app for browsing. I'm going to skip this step. And at this final page, you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.